It took me a while to really understand this, but the real way to make money in real estate is not by doing more deals. I mean, doing more deals would help, it would be great, but it's by getting paid multiple times on the same deal. And I didn't learn this overnight. I learned this from my own experience in watching my mentors. I've done over 400 real estate transactions, and when I look back at all of those deals, there were only a handful of them where I was operating in more than one part of the business. That's when it clicked for me. It wasn't all about volume, it was about structure, it was about vertical integration. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it so you can stop leaving money on the table and start getting paid multiple times on every deal you touch. And at the end of the video, I will share an additional option you may consider doing, so stay into the end. My name is Elridge. I'm a private lender based in New Orleans, Louisiana. We lend about $2 million a year to real estate investors. And everything I'm about to share with you comes from my own experience, and this is what I lived over the last 11 years. Now, when people hear vertical integration, they think it's something complicated. They think you need a big company, a big team, a lot of money. But that's not true. Let me simplify it for you. Vertical integration is just this: controlling multiple parts of the same deal. Instead of just doing one thing, you're involved in the steps before it or after it, or both. You're not just participating in the deal, you're controlling the process. Let me break this down so it really clicks for you. If you're a realtor and you start building or developing your own deals, now you're making money on the deal and the commission. That's vertical integration. If you're a contractor and you start flipping your own properties, now you're making money on the construction and the profit. That's vertical integration. If you're a landlord and you manage your own properties, now you're keeping the management fees in-house. Again, vertical integration. I'll give you a real example that really opened my eyes. I've got a friend. His dad used to play for the New Orleans Saints. Now listen to this. He's the developer, the general contractor, and the lender. But it didn't stop there. He did so much business with a material supplier that he partnered with them. So now he sells material and uses those material on his own projects. Think about that. He's operating in 4 different verticals. He has his own Home Depot, his own builder, his own bank. He's getting paid at every stage of the deal. Once I saw that, I couldn't unsee it. It was like when you pick up a car you want. Now you see the same car everywhere. That's what happened to me around 2019 to 2021. Everywhere I looked, the most successful people, the most profitable businesses, they weren't just doing one thing. They were controlling multiple parts of the process. Look at Apple. They design a product, control the software, and sell directly to the customer. Car dealerships. They sell the car, finance the car, and service the car. Even in my own business, I noticed something. The title attorneys I work with weren't just closing deals. They were also lending money. Not one, not two, but multiple title companies I worked with in the past were doing both. So they got paid at the closing and they got paid monthly interest. Same deal, multiple paydays. Guys, if this is making sense to you, do me a huge favor, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and liking and subscribing help these videos get in front of more people. We truly appreciate your support. Now let's go back to something I said earlier. Out of 400 deals, a small percentage made most of the money. It's like the 80-20 principle. 20% of deals produce 80% of the results. And those 20%, those were the deals where I had multiple roles, where I was integrated into more than one part of the deal. There are 2 main reasons why this worked. Number 1, profit. When you only do one thing, you get paid one time. But when you control multiple parts, you get paid multiple times. Let's go back to the title company example. If they only closed the deal, they only got one fee. But if they also funded the deal, now they get the closing fee plus monthly interest plus points on the loan. That's stacking income in one deal. Same thing with a realtor who is also a developer. They make money on the deal and the commission when they sell it. Number 2, control. And this one is just as important because you already know this feeling. You hire somebody and they don't perform the way you would. Contractors delay the job, vendors drop the ball, things don't go how they're supposed to. When you add verticals, you take back control. Less reliance on other people, more consistency, more predictability. Now let me give you a bigger picture. There are multiple verticals in real estate. You've got wholesaling, finding deals, lending, controlling the money, ownership, building long-term wealth, construction, controlling execution, property management, controlling cash flow, realtor, controlling the exit, title, controlling the closing, insurance, protecting and profiting, development, creating deals from scratch, syndication, raising and managing capital. Now, I don't want you to do all of these. That's not the goal. The goal is simple. Add one more vertical that increases your profit and control. Add the one that makes sense. There is no reason an insurance person need to be a wholesaler, but an insurance person can be a realtor. Hope that makes sense. And let me be honest, adding another vertical is not easy. You're learning a new skill, building a new system, creating a new stream of income. It takes time, but it's worth it. At Vertical Capital, we focus on two main verticals: ownership and lending. We own property and we finance deals, not just for ourselves, but for other investors. And in my opinion, if there's one vertical everyone should consider adding, it's financing. Because when you control the money, you control the deal. That's a different level of leverage. And that's why on this channel, we talk so much about becoming your own bank. Guys, if you want to build wealth how we do, join our free community. The link is in the description. We break this down step by step so you can actually apply it. Now, if you made it this far in the video, here's a bonus. If vertical integration feels like too much right now, I get it. Let me give you another option. It's called horizontal integration. This is where you expand, but you stay on the same level. You don't go deeper into the deal. You just add more ways to make money in the same lane. Back in 2017, I didn't even realize I was doing this. If you know my backstory, I started in real estate wholesaling in 2015. At the time, that's all I did. But I wanted to grow. I wanted to build a 7-figure business. So I invested $25,000 into a one-on-one mentorship program. Now, I'm not going to mention the guy's name because later I got scammed out of $30,000, but that's another story. I saved that for another video. But during this program, I did learn a lot, and I still use what I've learned today. One of the biggest things I've learned was combining wholesaling with listing properties. So instead of letting deals die, if a seller didn't accept our wholesale offer, we offered to list it on the market to get more of a retail price. That's how I partnered with Anitra. I handled the deal flow, she handled the listings. And that one move took me from about 30 deals a year to over 70 transactions in 1 year. That was horizontal integration. Same level, more opportunity. But here's the bottom line. Vertical integration is how you build serious wealth. Horizontal integration is how you grow faster in the beginning. But either way, you need some form of integration, because if you stay in one lane forever, you're limiting your income, you're limiting your control, and you're leaving money on the table. Because the truth is, you don't need more deals, you need a better model. And once you understand this, everything changes. If you got value from this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.